Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to introduce you to how we are going to do our first experiment or investigation to learn how to take data. You are going to need a ring stand, which is what this is. This black thing here is called a utility clamp. This hook right here is called a utility hook. You're going to need a meter stick, an elastic band, also called a rubber band, a paper clip to put on the end of it, a ruler, and the weights over here. So the first thing you need to do is you need to turn your meter stick so that the zero is down, and then you need to clamp the meter stick with the utility clamp so that it's straight up and down and it does not interfere with the hook. Then we're going to put the elastic band on the hook, get it to be still, and let it hang down. The ruler is for getting our eye right down on level with the bottom of the elastic band, and then putting the ruler on the meter stick so that it is even with the bottom of the elastic band. That is 32.8 centimeters. And then I'm going to write that down. That's the initial value. Then I'm going to take my 100 gram weight, I'm going to put it on there, gently let it down, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the ruler. I'm going to put it even with the bottom of the elastic band, and I'm going to write down that reading from the meter stick, 30.0 centimeters. So I went from 32.8 to 30.0 is how much the 100 gram weight stretched it. Then I'm going to take the reading for the 100, for the 200, doing exactly the same thing, ruler at the bottom of the elastic band, take the reading from the meter stick. I'm going to put the 100 on there so that it adds to 300. Going to take that, take the 100 off, put another 200 on there so that it goes to 400. And then I'm going to take both of those off and put the 500 on there. Every time, I'm going to put my ruler there at the bottom of the elastic band, take the reading, write it down. When I finish with the 500, I'm going to start over again with the 100. Okay? Or excuse me, I'm going to start over again with the initial reading from the meter stick and the 100. And I'm going to do that process 3 times, okay? 3 sets of data. And that will give me the data that I need to do the rest of the graphing and analysis.